Hey guys, it's Mr. Elting here with problem number 3 from tonight's homework. Let's go ahead and get this guy done. It says a chemist mixes 12 liters of a solution that is 45% acid with 8 liters of a solution that is 70% acid. What percent of acid is the new mixture? I think that's a typo. Regardless, unfortunately, I can't just average these. If we had the same amount of solution, if this was the same amount as this one, these two solutions, then we could just average these, right? It would be halfway between 45 and 70. But unfortunately, I have more amount of solution here. This is 12 liters, so I'm going to go ahead and fill it in. Total amount, that just means the amount of liters. So that's 12. I know the percent of acid. The percent of acid is 0.45. If I use a calculator really quickly, I do 12 times 0.45, and that gives me 5.4. So that's 5.4 liters, and I will do the same exact thing for the second solution. It's 8 liters times 0.7. You might be asking yourself, why am I multiplying those? Well, that's what my formula is for up here. Total amount times the percent of acid will give you the amount. So this tells me that there's 5.6 liters of acid. So in other words, out of these 8 liters, 5.6 of them are acid. And then the total amount, well, if I add these, I know I have 20 liters of solution total. However, I do not know the percentage of acid, but I do know how much acid there is total. It's just these two added together, which should be 11. And my equation just becomes 20 times x is equal to 11, which is exactly what I got from this last row right here. And just to be clear, we will only ever get our equation from this row or this row right here. It depends which one they give you. Obviously, this one, it would be very easy to solve as well. We're not going to worry about that. However, if you wanted to, obviously, it would be x is 11/20. And that's going to be a percentage, obviously, not a whole number. Ends up being about, or exactly, 55% or 0.55. That is the answer, all right? Again, just to be clear, I'm not asking you to solve these equations like I just did. I just want you to get to right here. Can you write that equation? If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'd be happy to help you. Thanks.